In this video, I will guide you how you can sell digital products on System.io. So first of all, click on sign in or sign up with your account. So after signing up, you need to prepare your product. Make sure that your digital product is polished and ready to be sold. Next thing is you need to use System.io's drag and drop funnel builder, which is on the top of your screen, which you can simply click on it and then click on the create button. Then you just need to enter your name and choose your funnel goal. You want to build an audience or you can to sell your product. In most cases you will gonna go for this, and then you just need to select your currency and click on the save button. After that you just need to click on it and then you can simply select your particular template that you want to go with. So let's go for this one as an example. You can also preview this, but let's go for this one and click on select button. Then you can simply click on view funnel step, and this is how it will gonna look like. So you can now go back, and there are also many options like automation rule, which you can simply click on create or add a new rule, and you can select any one of these triggers like page visited, what will gonna happen when a customer will going to visit your page, and all of the basic stuff. You can also have a A/B testing form, which is going to be like the page that is going to perform well will going to be on your main page. So ultimately will going to get you more sales. Now in the funnel you can also create an order form, as by default the order form is created, and make sure to add a thank you page as well. But make sure that they are matching with your product feature, pricing and design. At the end you can promote your products. You can simply copy the order from the link and promote it to the customers, but remember customer can pay with a credit card or PayPal and download the product from the thank you page. It's also important to test your funnel and make sure everything is working as expected. If you haven't set up your payment, make sure to set up your payment before proceeding further, which is going to be in the payment gateway section. You can select PayPal and Stripe as well, which is the most popular payment methods worldwide. So that's the way of how you can sell digital products on System.io.